Your door's lock is broken, and you've used allaboutdoors.com multipoint lock form to identify it as a P2000 lock case. To change out your lock body, you'll need a T15 screwdriver and a construction key. To begin, take your multipoint lock out of your door frame. To replace the P2000 lock body, you'll need to disconnect the upper and lower extensions from the body. Start by using your T15 screwdriver to remove the 2 upper and 2 lower extension screws that connect the case to the faceplate. Next, we need to fully extend the deadbolt to make alignment of the extension easier. To do this, insert the end of your construction key into the square spindle hole. Push down on the middle pin, called the mishandling device, and then simulate pulling your handle up. Doing so engages the additional locking points and extends your deadbolt. There is a chance that, without the faceplate keeping the deadbolt where it should be, it falls out completely. If this happens to you, you'll have to line up the deadbolt with the attaching mechanism inside of the lock and push towards the mishandling device so that it lines up with the deadbolt slot. With the deadbolt fully extended, you can now line up the lower extension. It's important to line up the lower assembly's latch notch so that it catches the lock case tab. Sometimes it helps to wiggle the lower assembly while applying pressure downwards until it clicks into place. Now that the lower extension is attached, reinstall your 2 T15 screws. Next, we need to install the upper extension. Try wiggling the upper assembly until it also clicks into place, and then reinstall your 2 remaining screws. Now that your lock case is fully installed, it's important to test the functionality of your lock before fully reinstalling it into your door. To start, retract the deadbolt back to its default state. Now use your construction key to simulate pulling the handle up again. This should extend your deadbolt once more. With that, you've successfully reinstalled your new lock body. If you have any questions, drop them below and one of our experts will respond. You can also fill out our multi-point lock identifier at allaboutdoors.com, and we'll help you find the correct replacement for your lock.